Hello, and welcome to A Few Minutes with Marvin, where I inspire those who aspire to make positive changes in their lives. And today I want to discuss how you can make your wishes come true. And I'm going to do that by sharing an experience that I'm having now and a wish that I've made, and it's going to come true. And here's how. So, as many of you know, I'm on my travels, and I stopped at a temporary location, and I need to go back east in about a month or so. And, along my travels, I've manifested a lot of things just by holding them in my vision. It's, you, how you make your wish come true. Even if you wish upon a falling star, you hold it in your mind. But most importantly, you hold it in your heart. And every time you think of that vision or that wish, you do it as if you already have it and it's already yours and you see yourself in it. That's how you make your wish come true. Now, most people say, oh, that's so simple. And it can be if you allow it to be. Because you have to not use your brain, your mind, or your ego. You have to really feel it from your heart and be confident and empowered to know that you already have it. And what I'm manifesting, and I already have it, is this beautiful motorhome. It's for sale here where I'm staying. And every day that I look at it as if I already own it. I do. And I see myself driving back across the United States in this beautiful vehicle, loving it, taking care of it, stopping along the way, being able to work, instead of right now I'm at a campground where I have to find space, quiet space. There's no real indoor space. I'm in a tent to make calls and things of that nature for my business. So going back east, I'm going to be going in this beautiful motorhome. It's already mine. I'm in it. I'm living it. I see myself driving. I see myself putting gas in it. I see myself emptying it out. I see myself stopping along the way, a beautiful RV park or a national forest, and camping out in it. And getting to my destination and using it there for what I needed there as well. It's already mine. And I empowered myself to have it. I made that wish. In fact, I made a wish upon a falling star last night, and there was two. So it's already done. It is done. It is done. It is done. And so it is. And you can have whatever you wish for too. It could be love. It could be a physical object. It could be a job that you desire. It could be having a child. Make that wish. Set that intention. Keep that vision not only in your mind, in your heart. Feel the vibrations of how it makes you feel to have that. I'm so happy to have this motorhome. It brings me so much joy. It's getting me to where I need to go. So, wish upon your star and hold it in your heart, in your mind, in your soul. Know that you already have it. No matter how long, always know that you already have it. Feel it every time, the joy that it brings you to have what you want. Manifest it. It's all about changing your perception. My perception is this is my motorhome, and it brings me much joy and workspace and a comfortable bed to sleep in, and it's already mine. So make your wish come true today. Hold it in your heart. Know that you already have it. With confidence, empower yourself to make it happen, because only you can. So, but if you're having issues holding that thought, maybe your ego's in the way, maybe some limiting belief is there, it's keeping it away from you, that you can't feel it, I can help. I am a spiritual life coach. The link to my website is below. Hit me up for a free 30-minute decompression session so we can figure out what that is. Remove that block so that you can hold whatever you want in your heart and know that you already have it. Believe it, live it, have it. And if you like the contents of this video, please give it a like, share it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it, and thank you for spending a few minutes with me. Have an amazing day.